Selain Wariola Coach Will wala, nakuha ni number 3 seconds. Nakuha ni Ariola foul. Juicy number first shot basket.
Player, upo kayo, upo. Hindi makita sa gilid ng committee.
Basket. Ariola. Pasa. 3 points. 50 seconds.